coordinator for the Toolbox Talk, and the question we are going to answer today is why we all should care. Why should we care? Why do I care about my environment, about where I work? Why should we care? And the notes here say achieving a safe workplace takes effort from every single person who is employed there. So to achieve a good workplace, it will take all our efforts, all of us who work here. Safety cannot be achieved through the effort of one or two people. Even if it is the CEO who is putting forth the most effort in working towards having safe workplaces. Because of this fact, we all should care about the health and safety of everyone at work. I think that is very clear. All of us have a part to play, so this is just a reminder in case we have forgotten that we all should care. One of the people in this company who cares, who I know cares, is Alex. Alex will call you at midnight and say, this place is not off, the light was left on, there's something in the factory. He will call you on a Sunday. He doesn't care to inconvenience you, but he will call you up and say, this is happening. They brought this machine, can they go ahead and fix this? The factory person here, should they proceed? He needs to make sure that you know what is happening. So I want to hear from all of you, the factory team. Don't say you are bothering anyone. Call and say there is this happening so that we all work in a safe environment. 3 reasons why we all should care. One is health. No one wants to be hurt on a job, and no one wants to see a coworker get hurt either. The main objective of safety in a workplace is to keep the people who work there healthy. When even just one does not care about safety, it not only puts them at risk, but it also creates risk for injury for anyone working around that individual. I think you've been here, not most of you. Someone got hurt at intake one time, and that time work had to stop. We had to rush to hospital. The warehouse had to stop. So everyone gets involved in that when there is an accident. So it is good that we take precaution before we start our work. The second reason is livelihoods. We all work to provide for ourselves and our families. Injuries, just small ones, can impede our ability to earn an income. Everyone depends on the wages they make at work to ensure their families have basic necessities of life. Taking shortcuts in safety and foregoing it completely can lead to injuries that put people out of work. I think that is clear. You all have families you're taking care of. So when you're not working, their needs are not being met. So let us put all our efforts on safety to make sure our environment is safe. Number 3 is business continuity. In this day and age, the market is global, not just regional anymore. Over the last few decades, many workplaces have felt the tightening grip of international manufacturers and the growth of the internet, allowing for products to be made and unnecessary expenses to continue on. Businesses that promote safe workplaces and have employees who embrace safety help limit costs associated with incidences and injuries. Also, many clients and consumers want to buy products from companies that have safe workplaces and are not injuring their employees. When each individual employee cares about safety, it helps to ensure that the company will face fewer and unnecessary costs associated with injuries. And I think everyone is aware that we have a food safety on, we are doing safety. So it is important that we care about our product, we care about ourselves, we care about our environment. So with that, we want to stop here. Any questions? Is everything clear? No questions? Okay.